So did you know that there are clever side hustlers out there making a full-time income by selling artistic calendars online? Or what about selling cool and retro gaming art to fans? Or how about selling fun and cute custom greeting cards? There are so many examples of successful business owners out there selling their own unique merchandise to their audience and making bank. But you know what's unique about all of the businesses I just showed you? None of the owners touch, manufacture, or ship the products that they're selling. That's right, these are zero inventory businesses, and these days you can actually start the same kind of business with basically $0 and begin scaling. This is honestly such a super cool opportunity for 2026 and beyond, and in this video I'm showing you guys the step-by-step process to launching your own zero inventory business using Shopify. In fact, in this video, I'll be creating my own merch line with awesome clothing and other merch designed for this YouTube channel. So by the end of the video, you'll know exactly how to launch your own online business and to start selling. You definitely don't want to miss this one. Let's get to it. And so guys, when it comes to starting an online business or some kind of e-commerce side hustle where you sell things, a ton of businesses out there require a lot of startup cash, manufacturing your own products, dealing with shipping and logistics and angry customers, and just kind of taking a lot of risk. This is why I'm not a huge fan of businesses like dropshipping in the traditional sense or Amazon FBA. Again, these businesses can work, but they take a lot more money to get started. And this is also why I'm such a fan of the print-on-demand model, or the POD business model. And so with print on demand, you create and sell amazing products from your own online business, except you don't have to manufacture products yourself. When you make a sale, your print on demand partner actually makes and ships the product to your customer, so you can focus on creating cool designs and unique products and marketing your business without any headaches. Now, I've talked about print on demand on this channel so many times, and I think it has so much potential for 2026, and there's honestly some amazing success stories out there I want to share with you guys. I mean, just take a look at this one Shopify store I found that has an amazing clothing brand centered around mental health. This shop is called North of Noise, and they sell really cool graphic tees and urban-inspired streetwear from their online Shopify store. But again, they never manufacture and ship any of their own products to their customers. Now, I've already shared a few quick examples in this video, so enough of me talking, let's hop into how you can actually build your own Shopify business using print on demand and how I'm planning to build my own merch line as well. And so when it comes to selling high quality print on demand products, similar to the products and shops I just showed you, one of the best companies you can use out there is called Gelato. And so Gelato is a leading print on demand company that lets you create and sell hundreds of unique, high quality products, again, without ever having to manufacture them yourself and ship them to customers. And again, that's one of the beauties of print on demand, guys. You can basically get started with close to $0. You don't have to invest thousands of dollars upfront in inventory before you even know if the products you're selling are going to be a hit. Gelato is also very cool because it has over 140 production partners in over 30 countries, so you can sell to a global audience right from your online business. Gelato also works with tons of local production partners. So again, you're getting faster shipping times, lower carbon emissions, and lower prices for your customers, which is always great to see. Now, to get started, you can sign up completely for free with your email and without entering your credit card on Gelato's website. And I'll be linking Gelato down below if you want to try them out and help support the channel. But yeah, I created my own Gelato account in a previous video. It took me about 30 seconds, but now let me show you the products I'm going to build for my own merch line for this YouTube channel and how I'm setting up my Shopify business. And so once you create an account with Gelato, there are honestly so many different products you can begin designing and selling. Gelato literally has a product catalog of hundreds of different products, including popular ones like t-shirts, hats, tote bags, coffee mugs, calendars, phone cases, and much more. Now, in past videos, I've tried other things like selling coffee mugs or selling different meme merchandise, but I kind of want to make a merch line for this YouTube channel. I think it's something that would be really cool. So I want to make a few t-shirts and I want to make some other products as well, like coffee mugs and, you know, some kind of fun merch items. And what's cool is that Gelato recently rolled out a bunch of new direct-to-film or DTF apparel options for sellers. And this is cool because DTF is really bright, it provides full color prints, it works on all fabrics and colors, and it's kind of a high quality piece of clothing that you can produce, which is going to be great for merch for this YouTube channel. But enough of me blabbing, let's actually hop into my account and I'll show you guys how to make designs for print-on-demand products like t-shirts and coffee mugs, and then how you can start selling them. And so the process is actually quite simple, and basically once you know the products you want to sell, you just pick them from Gelato's product catalog and begin designing them. Now, like I said, I'm going to start with a few t-shirts and some other merch items. I plan on adding some hoodies and other apparel items to the shop as well, but I'm going to start small and then kind of scale as I build out this merch line. Now, in terms of how you create your designs and how you get inspiration for all of this, you have a few options. And one option I love with print on demand is to look at what your competitors are selling on Shopify, Etsy, and other marketplaces to get some inspiration. Alternatively, you can also throw in your niche and shop idea into ChatGPT and ask it for print on demand ideas. And I did this actually for this shop and this merch line, and ChatGPT came back with some pretty good design ideas, if I do say so myself. But anyways, I spent a bit of time researching sellers on Etsy. I looked at some other Shopify businesses and I used ChatGPT. And over the next few days, I spent some time creating designs for this merch line and for my gelato products. Now, honestly, I used a mix of Canva and Photoshop for some of the designs, and then for the other ones, I mostly used ChatGPT's image generation feature and Grok AI, which can also make some pretty decent images. I also decided to hire a designer on Fiverr as well, just to create 2 designs for me, just to see how it compares to the AI-generated print-on-demand graphics I'm making. Now, you totally don't have to hire someone on Fiverr if you have a very small budget. Again, we're trying to stick close to $0 in this one. But for context, this cost $14 Canadian, and I'll show you guys the designs they made, as well as the designs I made using AI tools. Overall, this entire process took me like 2 hours. Again, I mostly used AI generation tools. The Fiverr order took about a day to complete, so the seller was pretty quick. And honestly, I think the designs came out looking pretty decent. And again, I suck at graphic design. Like, I can barely use MS Paint. I can barely use Photoshop. So really anyone can do this, especially with how good AI tools have gotten. So don't be intimidated about starting a print-on-demand business, even if you're not a professional graphic designer. But anyways, guys, now that I actually have my digital files and the images I want to use for my different products, it's time to add these designs to my Gelato products. And thankfully, Gelato's design tool is incredibly easy to use and very beginner friendly. All you have to do is upload your design image files to Gelato's product design tool. You can then crop and edit the images so it looks just right on the products that you're making. Gelato also lets you add text or other graphics right in the design tool. So again, you can do this, or you can do this in Canva as well pretty easily. Again, it's really not rocket science, and you basically upload your images, drag them around, use the preview tool to see what your images will look like once they're produced on actual products, and it's really as simple as that. But yeah, I spent about another half hour kind of tinkering with the design files on different products, and let me show you guys really quickly the products I plan on launching. So you can see this first shirt, and this is actually a design that the Fiverr seller made. I think it came out very, very nice, and so this is one of the shirts I plan on launching with for this merch line. I also have this Make Money Online coffee mug, which again, I designed this one on Canva. I think it's kind of fun. It's really simplistic, but it's going to be popular for side hustlers who want to get their grind on. Similarly, I have my Side Hustle Life coffee mug, which I actually made using Grok AI. And finally, I have my other Side Hustle t-shirt, which again, I used Canva to make this one and I kind of tweaked it with ChatGPT. So I think this one also came out pretty well. Again, I'm not a graphic designer, and all of this took about 2 hours between tinkering with some tools and setting up all of my Gelato products, so really not rocket science, and anyone can give this a try. Now, I plan on launching my store with these 2 coffee mugs and these 2 t-shirts, so speaking of launching the store, let's actually go live on Shopify so I can show you guys how easy it is to get started. And so once you're happy with your designs, all you have to do is click on the Continue to Details button within Gelato. From there, Gelato lets you enter your product title and your description. You can write this yourself, or you can just generate it with AI, which is what I suggest doing because it saves a lot of time. From there, you set your prices, and Gelato makes it easy for you to understand your profit margin based on where you're shipping to. So again, you can just set it to 50% or 30%, whatever you feel like for your margin, and Gelato will price your products accordingly. Again, it's super easy to put the finishing touches on your Gelato products and get them ready for listing. So let me show you how you can list your products on Shopify or really any marketplace you plan on selling. And so one advantage of using Gelato is that you have tons of different options for where you actually sell your products. In fact, Gelato integrates really easily with platforms like Etsy, Shopify, Amazon, TikTok Shop, Squarespace, WooCommerce, and plenty of other platforms. Now, I've launched Etsy print-on-demand businesses in the past, but for this merch line, I feel like selling on Shopify. I'm honestly a big fan of using Etsy, but I think Shopify, in terms of merch and a merch line, just feels a little better. You have more control over the design. It feels a little bit better suited for a merch line for a YouTube channel. So I'm going to be launching this merch line on Shopify. Right now, Shopify also has a free trial, and that only costs $1 per month for the next 3 months. So again, super cheap to get your business up and running. And I'll be linking Shopify down below, as well as Gelato, if you want to try out this exact strategy once you're done watching this video. But yeah, no matter where you decide to sell, you basically integrate Gelato with that platform with just a few clicks of a button. You can then publish your products right to your store to begin selling. And again, when you make a sale, you confirm the order in Gelato's backend, and then Gelato works with a partner to create and ship the order to your customer. And so I took another afternoon to basically create my Shopify store and to connect Gelato to it, and honestly the process was also very simple. Shopify just takes a minute to sign up for it. You basically enter your email and then you can get started on the free trial. And I like Shopify because it has lots of different themes and templates that you can use to hit the ground running. Now personally, I'm choosing this free and simple theme because it's actually designed for people starting merch lines, and I think it just looks pretty minimalistic and clean, so it's the one I'm going for. And again, I like that it's a free theme. But yeah, I spent a bit of time on the back end. I added an about page, I created my store name, and I edited some of the details on the back end so Shopify knows how to process payments and also pay me for future orders. I then connected my Gelato account to my Shopify store, and this is such a simple process. Gelato actually publishes my products from Gelato right onto Shopify and fills in all of the information like the product name, the pricing, the details, even the mock-up images. So again, you're basically ready to sell. And Gelato can do this because it has a Shopify app. So again, you just need to download the Shopify app, connect your account, and then it basically publishes everything for you to your store, so you're ready to go. Quick update, guys. I'm actually in Cape Town right now, but I was curious what my Gelato products would look and feel like before I launch my store. So I actually ordered a test sample to my parents to surprise them with a Side Hustle t-shirt and to see what they thought about it. This process was honestly super easy, and Gelato makes it easy for you to order test samples so you can actually try out the products you're selling before you start selling them. I wanted to see what my parents would think of it, so I shipped my dad a Side Hustle t-shirt. He got it in the mail a couple days later. He tried it on, he tested it out. He said the product felt great, the material felt high quality, and you guys can see here that it honestly looks pretty decent and the print quality is really, really good. Now, you definitely don't have to order products or samples before you launch your print-on-demand business, especially if you're sticking to that $0 budget, but it's something I wanted to do, and I honestly am super impressed with how Gelato's shirt came out. But yeah, I'll show you guys my shop here, and I honestly think it came out looking pretty decent. I mean, I have my 4 merch items, I have my about page. You can see that it's a merch shop for this YouTube channel, and I honestly think it's cool that all of this started with a basic idea. I spent like 2 hours designing products. I paid someone $14 on Fiverr to help out as well. And now I have an online merch shop that I can actually begin selling and scaling, which I just think is super cool. And really, I think this goes to show that AI tools and tools like Gelato are just making this process easier than ever. I mean, in the past, to do this, you would have to actually know how to make products yourself, know how to design products, deal with logistics and shipping and headaches. You'd have to know how to code as well and to build your own online business, and that would have taken months and thousands of dollars. Now you can start an e-commerce business with basically $0 or a budget of under $100, which I just think is amazing. And again, I think Gelato is one of the best print-on-demand companies out there for this kind of thing. Now, before I launch this merch shop, I'm going to add a few more products. I'm going to polish things up a little bit, so stay tuned because I will make an announcement when this merch line is dropping in case you guys want to pick up anything and help support the channel, help support me and what I do. I really do appreciate it, but stay tuned because I have a few more products that I want to finish making. But again, really quickly, I just want to highlight that this is just a merch line example. Gelato has hundreds of different products, and I showed you some earlier in the video. You could do this for wall art, you could do it for calendars, for greeting cards, for phone cases, for all kinds of different products, and that's also the beauty of print on demand because you can get creative and build any kind of business that you want. And so that kind of brings me to the next question and just how I want to wrap up this video, which is who should really try this sort of business model? And really, like I said, I think print on demand has massive potential for 2026, and I love that the barriers to entry have largely been removed thanks to AI tools and platforms like Gelato, but let me cover the pros and cons just in case you're on the fence. And so really the first pro of all of this would be that it has high scaling potential. I found sellers on Shopify, on Wix, on Etsy making full-time incomes with this kind of thing. Of course, results aren't guaranteed, but really, e-commerce businesses have a massive scaling potential. The sky's the limit, which is a massive pro of this side hustle. And the second pro is that some of these businesses can also become semi-passive. And that's another advantage of print on demand. You're not dealing with manufacturing and shipping, you're just creating unique designs. So if you can get the marketing running well, or you outsource that element of it, these can become semi-passive operations. And the third pro, I've already mentioned it, but it's the very low startup costs. You can get started with Gelato for free. Shopify has a $1 trial. You could also sell on very affordable marketplaces like Etsy instead, if that's more up your alley. And again, you're not paying thousands of dollars upfront for inventory, which is why I love print on demand. Now, as for the cons, the first would just be that it does take some time to learn the ropes. I think you can start a business in print on demand very quickly, but it will probably take some time for you to build up your product catalog, to find winning design ideas, and to kind of get the hang of things. And that brings me to the second con, which is that not every design you make is going to be a slam dunk, but I honestly think that's just part of the process. Print on demand is honestly such an exciting space. There is so much potential, and I just love how creative this side hustle is. So again, I'm super excited to keep building out this merch line, and I have a few other print on demand tests I'm running as well. So stick around and subscribe because I have more updates coming soon about all of these print on demand side hustles. But anyways, guys, that does it for a step-by-step guide on how you can launch your own print on demand business using Gelato and Shopify with basically spending $0. Now again, results aren't guaranteed in a print on demand business, an e-commerce business like this. It's not going to start printing cash overnight, so please have some realistic expectations. But this is honestly the kind of business you can start and scale on the side while holding down your day job and while keeping costs down, which I always love to see low cost side hustle ideas. Plus, I think it's a ton of fun, and AI tools are making it easier than ever before. So if you've been on the fence and you've always wanted to run your own online business, but you've been kind of scared of trying, I definitely recommend giving this combo a try. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Are you going to be launching your own print-on-demand business? Have you tried this before, or is this something you're going to skip? I'd love to hear from you guys down in the comments. Like I mentioned, I'll also be linking Gelato down below if you want to sign up and start selling your own products as well while supporting the channel. So thank you guys for watching, and thank you for the support. It really does mean a lot. That does it for this one, guys. I hope you have a fantastic day and week, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.